Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to disable our phone from accessing our physical activity. So, to change apps permissions to access our physical activity, we have to go to the settings. Then we're looking for security and privacy right here. And at the bottom here we have permission manager. And in permission manager we have every permissions possible on this phone, and here we have physical activity. Right now 1 application out of 2 installed is allowed to access our activity here. So let's revoke our permissions to Mr. Google here. Do not allow, back out, and now Google is not allowed to access this information on our phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.